This one particularly, we made a POC to train and to demonstrate the actual pipeline and how the design to development workflow happens. The other major difference in this session as compared to the first one was the participants asked highly relevant questions on how to implement tokenization. We saw interest from developers, designers, and project managers as well.
So the key learning from this session were to incorporate the design decisions that were made in Figma to convert it into React TypeScript code base to keep it consistent with the naming convention of the Joy UI, that is the new UI library of Material UI.
Today's session was really beneficial in putting my theoretical knowledge of tokenization into practical application. For example, if I want to change a color in the entire application, I just need to update the token's color value, which then propagates throughout the entire application. This helps in better maintenance of use and consistency throughout your entire design system.
I think we were really successful in this session in achieving the harmony between the design and development teams around the concept of tokenization and how they can implement it in their daily workflows.